morning, kapatid! Nako, tuwing malamig ang panahon, obvious ba, lamig na lamig ako, isa sa instant craving sa mga Pinoy ay ang mainit na champorado ni nanay. Sino ba ang hindi lumaki sa ganon? Diba? Lahat tayo favorite natin ng champorado. Kaya naman ang isang nanay na nakilala ko po ngayon, dinala sa kung saan-saan ang kanyang champorado. Kita tayo kasama ang mag-ina na sina Oyet, Dean at Gian or Gian ng Mom's Ube and Chocolate Champorado. Good morning mga kapatid! Good morning! Gian?
Yes.
Mami Oyet, of course, and Dean. Ito, it's a family affair. Ika nga, no? At eto na, syempre, ang tanong ng bayan, kailan at paano nyo po nasimulan ang negosyong ito, di ba? Mom's Ube Choco Champorado.
Yeah, so Mom's Ube Champorado, it's a heartfelt tribute to our mom, which is a beloved name in the food industry for over 20 years. So it started from there, and also it was a necessity for us in the pandemic because everything was closing already. The foot traffic was low, the sales was low, so we wanted a business that's unique that we could offer to the market.
And our founder, our mother, so syempre, we didn't want the boat to sink. Syempre, kung di kami gagawa ng concept or idea, lahat tayo malulugi. So, perfect timing, we have created this during pandemic. So we're proud to introduce our Mom's Champorado.
Ayun. So bakit usually kasi syempre ang nakagawian na nating champorado is chocolate. Pero sa inyo, may twist, diba? Sige, Mami.
Kasi nung pandemic, parang usong-uso yung ube pandesal.
Ube
pandesal. So parang I don't want to ride in that bandwagon. So we decided to create something different from that.
Wow.
And during that time, kasi lahat ng businesses namin sa mga malls, talagang it's closing one by one.
Yeah, we can understand that.
So we need to really survive. So parang nag-isip ko na isang concept na parang very fitting dun sa pandemic kasi nga in-order lang online. Plus, yung long-lasting din kasi parang family tradition din yung pag-eat ng champorado.
At saka you will always see sa hapagkainan ng Pinoy, ang champorado, no?
And to add on, it's food staple. So usually, di ba, sa bahay mo lang siya na-prep. So ito, we made it easy para matikman din yung champorado. So you don't have to cook it. Sa amin, kaya namin siyang
ibigay. Oo. Sige, isa-isahin natin itong mga dala ninyo dito. Kasi ito nakalagay sa ganitong lagayan, di ba, pag naka-take out siya. Can you tell us more about this mga nakalagay dito?
Okay, go ahead.
So basically, this is the choco, ube. So this is our grande size. So we have a lot of sizes from small to bucket. So why?
Wow, may bucket
May bucket size para pag yung mga pamilya gusto nyo kainin, pwede nyo uwi. So purpose naman yan is para lahat tayo makatikim. All of the markets, they could reach it.
Para sa kung may party, bucket.
Yes.
Kapag konti lang kayo, pwede itong mga cups na to.
Because usually in restaurants, it ranges from 200 to 400 pesos. So for us, we made it accessible to everyone. So it only starts at 35 pesos. We're really committed to the quality of the product. So I hope you guys enjoy when you try it.
And it's affordable.
Affordable. So how much itong isang ganito?
Yan, that's 50 something.
50 something.
Yes.
Tapos yung bucket,
220 pesos.
220.
But we have also the 35 pesos, yung smaller pa
Small
din.
namin.
in this one.
Okay. So, syempre, ang tanong din, magkano yung naging puhunan ninyo? Syempre, marami tayong mga kapatid ngayon na gusto rin, di ba, draw ng inspiration na magkaroon ng business. Magkano yung naging puhunan ng ganito?
Initially kasi, talagang ang puhunan lang namin is 20,000.
Okay.
Yun, kasi we had to buy the collaterals, yung mixes, tapos plus in-anticipate namin kasi nga online. So medyo nag-volume kami ng konti dun sa mga glutinous rice na binili namin plus ingredients. Ayun. We didn't know na, yun nga, with the 20,000,
Magkano na kinikita nyo?
Nako.
Yun ang yun ang big reveal.
Yeah, our gross, not our gross, but our monthly revenue is around 6 figures.
Wow!
And also online, we sold 100 buckets daily nung pandemic. So it was really gaining traction at that time, and we kept pushing for our champorado to get bigger and bigger.
And we took advantage of that situation since syempre lahat nasa bahay. Tapos sumakto yung produkto namin dahil napaka-homey. So when you order champorado, talagang you would
feel like
nasa
bahay ka. At syempre, puro tayo kwento, tikman na natin. Ito, di ba? Ito importante. Pwede ko makahingi ng
Sure.
Kutsara dyan sa tabi
There you
mo.
go.
Okay, so grabe, no? So sa halagang 20,000 plus, eto na. Tapos kumikita na kayo ng 6 digits, tapos and counting.
And
ika
for
nga, no?
franchising pa siya.
Sige nga, can you explain to me kung ano
Yeah.
yung franchise? Ano bang unahin ko dito?
Yeah,
Yung
so-
ube. I want the
yeah.
ube. Sige.
What's great about it is our franchise potential. You can really, it's an easy process to make a champorado and also easy for inventory. It would be great for our aspiring franchisees to try this product because it's very easy to make and very easy to operate. I hope you guys
Yeah.
can check us out on our social media pages.
Ayun, no? Sobrang creamy niya. Tsaka yung malagkit, no? Hindi siya yung malabnaw. Titikman ko na
Yeah.
muna to, Ang sarap. Iba siya.
Thank
Talagang
you.
ube siya. Hindi siya yung kulay ube lang.
Yeah.
Ando dun yung flavor niya. Sige. You mentioned social media. Go ahead. Please promote.
So we're available on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Our handle is at Mom's Ube Choco Champorado. Also, we have a website. It's www.momsubechocochamporado.com if you guys want to check out our franchising and also more information about the brand.
Yeah.
If you want low investment, high income, basta Mom's Champorado, panalo.
Panalo. Yes.
Mom's Champorado, panalo! Go, go, go! Maraming salamat po sa
morning.
inyo. Good morning.
Good morning,
Si
kapatid.
Good
Ma'am
morning.
Oyet, si Dean, and si Jillian. Thank
Good
you
morning.
for
Good morning,
gracing our
everyone.
show. Napakasarap po nitong champorado na ito. Grabe.
Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.